Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are coloring, drawing and painting a rainbow frog. Let's start by drawing. You can draw with me. Hope you will be enjoying this video. Kids, do you like princess accessory and princess makeup? I love to draw Princess Frock very much. I am coloring this frog with rainbow colors. This frog turned into a princess frog. Let's color. You can color with me. Color. Let's color its poop strips with yellow color. Coloring its layer with yellow color. Orange color. It's time to color in orange layer with orange color. Green color. It's time to color green layer with green color. Red color. Let's color in its top and its other layer with red color. Purple color. It's time to color purple layer with purple color. Kids, if you like more videos, then like, subscribe and please share and press the bell icon to get every new video. Sky blue color. It's time to color in sky blue color layer with sky blue color. Coloring in Princess Frock blue with sky blue color. Dark pink color. Let's color in frock with dark pink color. This princess dress turned into a real princess dress. Let's color in 7 layer with dark pink color. Light purple color. Let's color the last layer with light purple color. This frock looking so pretty and so adorable. Light pink color. Let's color in blue and its top with light pink color. Do you like to wear princess frock and princess dress? outline again. Hope you like this video, then like, subscribe and please share. Bye bye.
Subscribe us for more videos.